we have here? Well, I've run out of stuff to upload for the time being because I'm back at work full time now. So I just thought I'd do something just to give you a bit of content. So I'm going to do an unboxing and initial thoughts of my new guitar. It is a Fender, as you can see. It's an acoustic. It's the FA345CE, whatever the hell that means. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a bit of an insight to it from a guitar builder's perspective. I don't build many acoustics, but it is something that I'm looking at doing more often as time goes on. I've got a couple in the work at the moment. So yeah, I just thought I didn't have a really nice acoustic guitar. I've never had a really nice acoustic guitar, so I thought I'd get myself one. So keep watching. It's not going to be a long video this. I'm just going to unbox it, play a couple of chords, and I'll do a more in-depth review when I've had a little bit more time to play about on it. So there we have it. I've got this from Guitar Amp Keyboard, which is based in Brighton, which is near where I used to live. It was 265 quid total with Saturday delivery. It arrived about half an hour ago. It's what they refer to as B stock, which I presume means it's got little imperfections like that little scratch there. I don't know if you can see that, but geez, I mean, for 265 quid looks pretty good. The normal stock ones are about 325. It's got some pretty gnarly looking inlays on the fretboard. It's also got Fishman electronics, which apparently also has a built-in tuner, which very much appealed to me. So yeah, overall, I mean, it's a really pretty looking guitar. The flame maple on the top. Not sure what it is on the sides and the back, but it's also got some real nice grain to it. Can't really see because the light's reflecting off. It's a bit frustrating, but yeah, let's see what it plays like. Just tuned it. Tuner's nice and easy to use. Such a nice warm tone that, compared to my other acoustic, which is it was a £70 Gear for Music thing. To be fair, for £70 it's really good, but this sounds so much better. Let's see if I can play something. I'm not much of a guitar player, but yeah, that's my sort of go-to whenever I try an acoustic out, but I'm dead pleased with this. Little scratch, but I mean, it's not either in or there really.